G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. This is episode 90 and today we are making the Moscow Mule. So let's get started. What you're going to need for today: vodka, some ginger beer, a Moscow Mule mug would be great, an ice crusher, and if you don't have one of those, maybe just a tea towel and a good old rolling pin and smash it up. You'll need some fresh lime and fresh mint, and that's pretty much all you're going to need. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, we're going to load up that copper mug with some ice. Make sure it's nice and full. We're going to pour 60 ml of vodka directly into the mug. Now we are going to juice half a fresh lime, so about 15 to 20 ml. Top up with ginger beer, which is about 120 ml. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to crush up some ice using this little ice crushing house. All right, here we go. Alrighty, now just with that crushed ice, just load it on top. Beautiful. Now, we are going to garnish with a nice fresh piece of mint and a lime wedge. Put the lime wedge on the side. Grab a straw, sprig of mint, and there you have the Moscow Mule. Enjoy. That's bloody good. That is bloody good. And how good is mint?